Turning now to the latest numbers on COVID-19 from the Arizona Department of Health Services. Today, less than 500 new cases of the coronavirus are being reported by the state, and no additional deaths were reported. Now, as of this morning, 4,500 people have died in Arizona from COVID complications since the tracking began. And now to the class of 2021. 12 News' our ongoing commitment to keeping you informed, prepared, and safe as Arizona goes back to school. So students at the Queen Creek Unified School District are back inside their classrooms for the first day of school. The district's decision to reopen has been a controversial one since Maricopa County does not meet all of the state's COVID benchmarks yet for full in-person classes. Team 12's Nyla Charles is live at Queen Creek Junior High with students and parents' reaction. Hey, Nyla.
Hey, about 9,000 students across the district are back in classrooms. In fact, that's close to pre-COVID numbers. We went to several schools to talk to parents, and overwhelmingly, they told us they're excited for their kids to be back in the classroom. In fact, the district says only 14% of parents chose the online option. The district says they made the decision to go back to classrooms after a majority of parents asked them to. Masks are mandatory with some exemptions in place, along with sanitation and social distancing guidelines.
For family, it was a decision. It was mentally, physically better for him to be somewhere at school and with teachers than to be at home.
I am extremely worried, but I am a working mother.
As you can see from that last mother, some people are choosing the classroom option not because they feel like it's the safe choice, but financially the only choice. At least 7 teachers have resigned because they don't think the safety measures are enough. They're pointing to the lack of a class size limit. We're going over to the high school after this to talk to the principal so we can get his take on how the first day of school went. We're live in Queen Creek. Nyla Charles, 12 News.